Hello, do you know how to work out such an amazing maths problem? So come with me. If you know how to work it out, please kindly work it out, then comment your answer in the comment section. So let's now start with the solution. So most people usually make a mistake when working out this maths problem. So today I want to show you one of the best strategy in working it out. So we have a to the power of a minus 1 is equals to 80. So this one is 8 into the power of a minus 1 is equals to 80. So how do we go about this one? So the first thing, since 8 is a whole number, 8 is a base, a minus 1 is an index, we need to introduce the log from both sides. So now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of a minus 1 is equals to the log of 80. So this one, assume we have the log of x to the power of y. So this one can also be written as y the log of x. So when you write the log of 8 to the power of a minus 1, so we shall now have a minus 1, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 80. So from there now, we divide both sides by the log of 8. So here divide by the log of 8, so this side also divide by the log of 8. So the log of 8 and the log of 8 cancel each other. So now our a minus 1 shall be now is equals to the log of 80 all over the log of 8. So let's now factorize the log of 80 all over the log of 8. Let's still have or leave minus 1 on this other end. So here now a minus 1 is equals to, so the log of 80 can also be written as the log of 8 multiplied by 10 into bracket all over the log of 8. So our next, suppose we have the log of AB. This one can also be written as the log of A plus the log of B. So A minus 1 in this case is equals to, now we shall have the log of 8 plus the log of 10 all over, so all over the log of 8. So our next step now is to divide both sides by the log of 8. So on this case, now we shall have a minus 1 is equals to, so we have the log 8 plus the log of 10. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 8. So this side all over the log of 8. So now our a minus 1 in this is equals to, so the log of 8 and the log of 8 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus the log 10 all over the log of 8. The log of 8. So from here, assume we have the log x all over the log y. This one can also be written as the log of x to the base of y. So when we write this equation, we shall have something like, now a minus 1 is equals to 1 plus the log of 10 to the base of 8. So remember that we had the minus 1. We can bring this minus 1 to this other side so that it becomes plus 1. So now we shall now end up with a, the value for a is equals to now 1 plus the log of 10 to the base of 8 plus 1. So that is now becomes our final answer. So if still you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. So let's now confirm this answer. So we had our problem as 8 to the power of a minus 1 is equals to 80. So now we have 8. So where there is a, we write 1 plus. So 1 plus the log of 10 to the base of 8 plus 1, then minus 1 is equals to 80. So here now we can rewrite it by now having 8 to the power of 1, then plus the log of 8 to the power of 1, or we can have 8 to the power of 1 to the power of 8 again, the log of 8, sorry, the log of 10 to the base of 8. Then this one is 1 minus 1 cancel each other is equals to 80. So in this regard, now we shall now say that 8 to the power of 1 is 8. Then the plus shall now change to multiplication. So the log to the base of 8 cancels this 8. So now we shall remain with 10 is equals to 80. So 8 multiplied by 10 is 80 is equals to 80. So it means that our answer is very, very correct when we agree by saying that the value for A is equals to 1 plus the log of 10 to the base of 8 plus 1. So this one is what leads us to the correct answer. So if you really loved how we've worked out this maths problem, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, thank you.